Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Today I have a iPhone 11 and it's showing iPhone unavailable. So it happened when we try to put a wrong password for too many times. So now today I'm going to show you how to remove this iPhone unavailable. So let's do it. So at first, what you have to do, you have to switch off your iPhone. So sometime you can switch off it with the power button, and if it not going off or it not showing you the switch off button, switch off option for with the power button, so you have to press power button and volume up button together. So it will be show you the switch off option on your iPhone. So just press the power button and volume button together, then it will be show you the switch off option. So just switch off your phone. Alright, after switching off your phone, then you need a lightning cable and a computer or laptop, and you must be have iTunes on your computer or laptop. Then you need to set your phone on recovery mode. So for go on recovery mode, you need to press the power button and the volume up button together. So on the screen I'm showing how to do it. Then go on your laptop or computer, what you have. Then you see here I got iTunes on my laptop, so I'm going to open it, and then you have to do nothing, just open your iTunes and connect your lightning cable with your computer or laptop. So here you see I got already connect my lightning cable with my laptop. So now we have to set your phone on recovery mode first. So for go on recovery mode, you have to press the power button and the volume up button together, and then plug your lightning cable. Slowly it will be go on recovery mode automatically. Yeah, it's go on automatically on recovery mode. So just release the power button and the volume button slowly, then go on your laptop. On your laptop you can see the phone is going to connect automatically. Here you can see, so it's a iPhone 11 automatically connect to the iTunes. So here there is two options, one is update and another one is restore. So we're going to press on restore, because when you press the restore, so it takes both of it to both of them, update and restore together. After click on restore, so it will be load, and here you can see restore and update. So you can press on it, so it will be it's loading. Then you just simply you just press on next, then agree. Now a file is start downloading automatically. You guys can see here this file is maybe about to 7 gigs. So it will be take a little bit time. I'm going to skip here. You guys have to wait until the file is completely downloaded. After the file was downloaded completely, then you have to go on your iPhone and set it on recovery mode and reconnect with the laptop. So here my file is already downloaded, so I'm going to cross it here. So here you can see restore phone. So I'm going to click on restore phone. Right, it will be take little bit time. So now just press on restore and update. Alright, here on top you can see the process is already started. So the process is started. So now we have to do nothing, just wait for finish it. So this process is going to be take a little bit time, like 10 to 20 minutes, sometime less than 20 minutes. So make sure that your phone and your laptop got enough charge and proper internet connection. Now I'm going to skip here, because otherwise the video going to be too long. Now the process is about to finish. It will be just take a little bit time. Yeah, now the process is finished. And here on your iTunes, you can see the iPhone is restored setting successfully. So then you have to go on your phone. So it will be take a little bit time because the iPhone is restarting now. So after finishing this process, you all settings going to be restored, and iPhone unavailable going to be removed. So we're going to wait here. Yeah, now it's finished. So now we have to just set up some small things. Like here, you have to select your language. I'm going to select English. Then you have to select your country or region. You get here lots of countries, so you have to select your own. Here I'm going to select South Africa. After selecting, and it will be take a little bit time for setting your language and region. Now you can select how you want to see your text and lock screen page. So I'm just selecting the small. Here you can do two things. You can set it with iTunes, and you can set up manually. So I'm going to show you how to do it manually. So you have to connect with the internet. So connect your Wi-Fi connection. Then it will be take a little bit time. Just wait here. Okay, now you just have to put your Apple ID and password. Then it's finished. Thank you so much for watching this video.